You know, there's something quietly dangerous happening in millions of homes every single night. It doesn't make noise, it doesn't leave scars, yet it's silently wrecking your energy, your focus, your skin, your hormones, and your overall health. And the craziest part, it's your own nighttime habits. The simple things you do or don't do right before bed are either healing your body or destroying it. Today, I'm going to expose the 7 nighttime habits that are quietly destroying your health. And the best part is, fixing them costs absolutely nothing. This goes far beyond how many hours you sleep. I'm talking about the quality of that sleep, the chemical chaos inside your body as you drift off, and the tiny daily choices that decide whether you wake up energized or completely drained. So stay with me, because the last habit I'll share is something almost everyone doesn't. It's probably the biggest health mistake you never realized you were making. Every night, your body enters a deep repair mode. It's when your cells heal, your brain clears out waste, and your hormones reset. Think of it like your internal night shift, quiet but powerful. But when you unknowingly sabotage that process with a few bad habits, you're literally interrupting your body's most important recovery system. Let's dive into the first silent health destroyer, scrolling your phone before bed. That blue light tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime, shutting down melatonin, the sleep hormone. Without enough melatonin, your sleep becomes light and restless. Research shows just 2 hours of screen time before bed can cut melatonin by up to 22%. The fix: set a digital sunset. About an hour before bed, put the phone on airplane mode and let your brain naturally wind down. Next up, eating late. Your digestive system isn't designed to work hard at night. When you eat too close to bedtime, your body shifts from rest and repair mode to digestion mode. This disrupts blood sugar, increases fat storage, and leaves you feeling bloated and sluggish in the morning. Try to finish your last meal at least 3 hours before bed. This next one might surprise you. Catching up on sleep during the weekends. It sounds healthy, but it's actually destroying your body clock. Your body thrives on a consistent circadian rhythm. When you sleep at 10 p.m. on weekdays but 2 a.m. on weekends, you get social jet lag. You're not just tired, your body is confused. The solution: keep a consistent sleep schedule. Your body will reward you with steady energy and a better mood. Now for the snooze button. When you hit snooze for just 5 more minutes, you're not getting real rest. You're confusing your brain by starting new sleep cycles it can't finish, which is why you feel even more exhausted. The fix: put your alarm across the room so you have to physically get up. Once you're up, open the curtains and let the light in. Let's talk about room temperature. Many people sleep in rooms that are too warm. Your body actually needs a cooler environment to fall asleep deeply, as its core temperature naturally drops to signal rest. The ideal temperature is around 18 to 20 degrees Celsius, or 65 to 68 Fahrenheit. Another habit is bringing stress to bed. Replaying worries floods your body with cortisol, the stress hormone, which suppresses melatonin. This mental chatter doesn't just keep you awake, it creates a chemical storm. Create a mental off switch. Journaling, listening to calm music, or practicing slow breathing can tell your nervous system it's time to rest. Finally, the 7th and most common habit: sleeping with lights on, even dim ones. Whether it's from your TV or a charger, that light is messing with your hormones. Our bodies evolved to sleep in total darkness. Even a tiny bit of light can raise your heart rate and blood pressure. Over time, this increases risks for obesity and mood disorders. Use blackout curtains and turn off all electronics. You might be thinking, wow, I do at least 3 of these. Don't worry, you're not alone. The best part is, you can fix every single one starting tonight, for free. Just pick one habit to change. Do it for 3 nights. Once it feels natural, tackle the next one. Within a month, you'll not only sleep better, you'll live better. Your future self is shaped by what you do after the sun goes down. So tonight, I challenge you. Is your room built for scrolling or for recovery? Change your nights, and you will change your life. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more practical health tips. Now take a deep breath, switch off that screen, and give your body the peace it's been craving. Good night.